Please trust this video if you don't want to lose your data. First, let me make this clear. You cannot upgrade from 32-bit Windows to 64-bit. Is simply not possible. If you want to move from 32-bit to 64-bit, you'll need to do a clean installation of the 64-bit version. But remember, this means you will lose all your data on the drive, and you'll have to reinstall and reconfigure all your programs. And you'll have to reinstall and reconfigure all your programs. Now, you can copy your data to another physical drive in your computer. Just make sure it's an actual physical drive, not just another partition on your existing drive. By doing this, your data should remain safe. And if you're not backing up your important data regularly, there's always a risk: a hard drive crash, user error, a lightning strike, a virus attack, a second partition theft of your computer, an internal drive. That's risky. External backups are the best way to keep your data safe.